Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your devices ready. Put the Airpods in their case, open it next to your phone, and enable Bluetooth in settings. This forces pairing mode. Once the Airpods appear as connected, make sure Discord Mobile is closed, then reopen to refresh audio routes. You do this because apps cache audio devices. Restarting Discord ensures it recognizes the new hardware. If you use an iPhone, also confirm that your phone system audio switches to Airpods in the control center before proceeding. Once done, open Discord and join a voice channel or start a direct voice call so audio routing options appear. Tap the audio source or speaker icon inside the call UI and select your Airpods as both input and output if available. Pick the device name shown in your Bluetooth list. Make adjustments to microphone permissions if Discord asks. If audio quality or mic issues persist, make sure Bluetooth audio codec settings don't force an incompatible profile. Changing the codec can improve stability. Finish by confirming everything works. Use Discord's voice test or ask a friend to verify mic pickup and volume balance. If you hear echo, lag, or the mic won't switch, disconnect and repair the Airpods, then restart Discord. This clears audio routing conflicts. Make sure no other app is holding the microphone. As a key troubleshooting tip, if problems continue, restart the phone, repair the Airpods, and reset Discord permissions. That sequence resolves most stubborn audio handoff issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.